I'm Mac, and today we are going to be doing a Candle Science unboxing. I just started making candles a couple weeks ago, and I ordered a bunch of new fragrances, and today we are going to be opening them. So, yay! Here's my box. It's very exciting. So first, I got a pitcher. This is for soap making actually, but it has a funnel, so it's much better for like designs and making nice designs and pouring precisely. And it was less expensive from Candle Science than Brambleberry, so I got this. And then I have two dye blocks. I got Seafoam and Honeycomb, which I'm going to use for my wax tarts, because I'm going to color my wax tarts but leave my candles themselves plain. So these are my two colored blocks. This is Honeycomb is going to be for my honey fragrance, and Seafoam is going to be for my clean shaven fragrance. I'm not really sure what I'm going to call it, but clean shaven is as close as I've gotten so far. So I have those two. And now I think we're onto the actual fragrances, which is very exciting. I'm honestly very excited about this. So starting off, we have White Tea. This is the 4-ounce one from Candle Science. And let's give it a smell. Oh, that's really nice. It has like a bit of floral to it, but it's very like a little bit green and powdery. Yeah, it's like powdery and floral, but not, it doesn't smell floral, it just smells like it has like a backing of floral. It's really nice. I'm not sure if that's like my favorite, but I'm like weird about fragrances. Okay, Fresh Coffee. That smells good. That like actually smells like coffee. So smelling the cap, it smells like a little bit bitter, but when you smell the actual bottle, it just smells like coffee. That's really nice. I like that. That's exciting. Okay. Sparkling Grapefruit. And the ones that I got the 4-ounce in was just because they didn't have the 1-ounce, and if I hate them, I hate them. I mean, I didn't really have a choice. Ooh, this one's really nice. Yeah, it smells like grapefruit, but like a little bit more energized. And like, it does smell like sparkling grapefruit. Like, I don't know how to describe how you smell sparkling, but it's like grapefruit with some zing to it. I like that one. Peppermint and Eucalyptus. So this one had like pretty mixed reviews, because I was looking for plain eucalyptus because I have a eucalyptus from Brambleberry, but it did not smell very good in candles. So I was trying to find another eucalyptus, and they didn't have plain eucalyptus, so I went with peppermint and eucalyptus. But the reviews were really mixed. Some said it was really heavy eucalyptus, some said it was really heavy peppermint, and some said it was disgusting. So I figured, why not try it, because that's obviously the logical answer. Yeah, it's very pepperminty. But it's nice. It's like a soothing peppermint. So it's not like too minty, like it doesn't like burn your nose. That is really nice. That's a nice blend. I like that. That'll be nice for like if you have a cold or something, it'll be like cooling for the sinuses. Ooh, Pineapple Sage. I was looking for a tropical thing, and Pineapple Sage, that just sounds so exciting. Like, I buy everything. It smells weird. It definitely smells like sage. I'm not really getting the pineapple. Yeah, I don't know if I like that, honestly. I'll see. I don't know. Maybe it'll smell different like when it's actually in the candle. Now we have Watermint and Clementine. I have no idea what Watermint is, but we're gonna find out. So, here we go. Oh, that's really nice. It's like, the clementine is more like secondary. It's not like minty, it smells like really clear and green, and then you get like the hint of sweetness and tang from the clementine. That's really nice, actually. That's much better than the pineapple sage. That's really nice. Library. This is the one that I paid extra shipping for because I love books, as you can tell. These are all like my YA books, but I love books, and so I paid an extra $4 to get this fragrance because they didn't have it in the right warehouse. They only had it in Nevada, so we're gonna find out if it was worth it. That is disgusting. It just smells like a really moldy house. That's really weird. I think that one I'm probably going to try in a candle. It's really gross. So I'll see if it might morph or just be a little bit different, because I really want something that smells like books, because I also sell in a bookstore, so having something that smells like books would be really great for like my brand, but not that one. Ooh, coconut lime verbena. This is my other attempt at like something more tropical. Oh, that's nice. That just smells like coconuts. I'm not a big coconut person. I don't really like the taste at all, but it like smells like coconuts and it's a little bit sweeter too. Yeah, that's really nice. I really like that one. I really like that one. This might be the last one. Yeah, I think this is the last one, and then we have packing peanuts, because that's what Candle Science does. But they're biodegradable, I think, or made of corn or something. Yeah, I think these are the corn ones. Did I really? I just bit it. It's fine. Ooh, this is really nice. This is Macintosh Apple. My name's Mac, or Mackay, and people call me Macintosh, so I figured it was a good sample to go with. This was a free sample, and it smells really nice. We always go apple picking in the fall because we live in New England, and this smells exactly like when you bite an apple, but you're still in the orchard, and it like has that kind of powderiness to it because you haven't washed it, and it's like so fresh. Oh, that's really nice. I want to keep smelling that. Yeah, that's really nice. Okay, so that is all for today, and those are the 9 fragrances I got from Candle Science. And yeah, so if you like this video or found it helpful, drop a comment below or a like, and subscribe for more candle stuff. And if you have any suggestions of what you want to see next, let me know. Thank you so much, and bye.